This is a Corel Fax File. It is an old document format. Unless you have the original Corel Home Office suite, you'll struggle to open it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look for a converter. When we reach the final stage, we'll shift gears. We are going to maximize results with a single, highly effective CPF file inspection program that provides coverage for a wide range of formats. A CPF file is associated with Corel software, primarily used for storing fax settings and configuration data. It may contain information related to fax transmission parameters, user preferences, and other settings specific to Corel's faxing capabilities. It can also store settings for other Corel applications. CPF files are typically binary files containing structured data that defines the configuration settings. The internal structure is proprietary to Corel and may vary depending on the specific Corel application and version. These files are not intended to be manually edited. When viewing the file metadata, the CPF shows a direct link to CorelDRAW from Corel Corporation. Windows prevents native execution, requiring elevation or a digitally signed application. Windows identifies the file type but not the internal content, which must be opened in the right software. Begin the search for the correct program. Right-click the CPF file and choose Open With. Use CorelDRAW first, if available. If it's absent, select another application. Keep testing until the CPF file opens successfully. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, use Corel Photo-Paint. If an image, open the file using Corel Photo-Paint, the required application for the proprietary image format. Next, check version. Ensure your Corel Photo-Paint version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, open as text. If a configuration file, open the .cpf file in a text editor to view the settings. If those CPF compatibility checks failed, it is often because this specific extension name is shared by dozens of different software developers for completely unrelated tasks. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your CPF file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If you need any more clarification, ask in the comments section. Be sure to subscribe before you leave. Don't be a stranger. Come back for the next one.